welcome to a brand new episode of the DIY course on flower making. This course is brought to you by What's Your Hobby, and this module is designed to teach you to make some amazing ribbon flowers. In this episode, let's learn how to make this beautiful flower from ribbons. A satin ribbon of a color of your choice, scissors, floral tapes, and floral wires. Take the ribbon strip, straighten it out and then find its center. Now carefully observe how I start braiding from the center. I'll slow down the video for you to watch and learn. Now hold the ends and pull down one end. You have to carefully pull down the end till the flower assumes this shape. Let's now seal the ends and make a stem for our flower using floral tape and wires. I hope that you all love this beautiful flower. So see you all in another video. Till then, take care and stay tuned to What's Your Hobby.